So you chose to pass the bill, and now the bill goes on to the President! Pew!
Should people be allowed to fart? I gotta fart.
So after the Senate agrees to the bill, we will then send it to the President. The President gets to do one out of 4 things. 1, he can sign it.
Which then makes the bill a law,
Veto it.
which then stops the bill from becoming a law, sends it to Congress, and it can become a law through Congress if it passes 2/3 of the congressional vote.
If the President do not touch it in 10 days, it will automatically become a law. Or pocket veto it.
Which means that if Congress adjourns its session within 10 days of a bill being passed on to the President, and the President does not act on that bill, the bill then dies. But I think the President is very sure of his decision.
So what do you think? Do you want to sign it?
Or veto it.
Is there a fart one? I still gotta fart.
Okay, Kimberly.
That's good.